Did you know you're already on a spaceship? Earth spins at 1,070 kilometers per hour. It orbits the Sun at 107,000 kilometers per hour. But what if it suddenly stopped? First, everything not attached to the ground would be launched eastward at supersonic speeds. Buildings, cars, even the air itself, all in motion. Oceans would create massive tsunamis, flooding entire continents. And what about gravity? It would still hold us. But without rotation, Earth's magnetic field could weaken, exposing us to deadly solar radiation. The atmosphere? Gone chaotic. Extreme winds and sudden climate shifts would make survival nearly impossible. Luckily, Earth isn't stopping anytime soon. Or is it? What do you think would happen? Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe for more space mysteries.